Hello and welcome back to another episode of our channel. In this video, I will guide you to delete Netflix downloads from all devices. Whenever you encounter the Netflix downloads on too many devices error, you will see an on-screen message indicating you should remove downloads from the device you're currently using or other device linked to your account. Your Netflix plan has a limit to the download based on license agreement they reach with studios or distributors. So in the future, you should always be mindful of your download limit. Now to fix this problem, you need to head over to your Netflix app and from your home screen, head over to the profile icon at the top right. Now tap on account option. And once you tap on it, your account section will be open on your screen. Now scroll this account section to the bottom and now tap on manage download device option. Now you can remove device, and when you remove a device, all the downloads on that device will be no longer be available. And that was quick and easy video on Netflix delete downloads from all devices. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.